Hello my dear colleagues, my name is Dr. Shkolnyi. I am a dermatologist, certified trainer of the MedHome company and Chief Medical Officer of the Multimed Medical Center. Today I want to tell you about the newly updated skin booster TwAc 2.0 and why this product will make your patient love it. The new TwAc 2.0 contains PDRN 7.5 mg per milliliter and hyaluronic acid 12 mg per milliliter. In 3 cc syringe, we have 22.5 mg of PDRN and 36 mg of hyaluronic acid. The synergy of these two components allows for the most effective, fast and painless solution to a range of skin problems and aesthetic imperfections. TwAc 2.0 is ideal for patients with initial signs of chronoaging and photoaging, first wrinkles appearance and loss of skin elasticity. The main advantages of the TwAc 2.0 booster are the combination of medium molecular weight hyaluronic acid and PDRN of 2 molecular masses, medium and low molecular weights, which allows for prolonging and therapeutic effect for the product and achieving the best results much faster. Deep hydration, normalization of the functioning of both skin cells and extracellular structures, physiological stimulation of fibroblasts, anti-inflammatory and regenerative effects. All these are about TwAc 2.0 skin boosters. Injections are performed subdermally with a minimal deposits of a product at the depth of 2-4 mm, or in the classic linear retrograde technique at the same superficial subcutaneous level. Thanks to the ergonomic design of the syringe and new rheological properties of the TwAc 2.0 product, needles with the calibers of 30 and 32 G can be used, which makes the procedure maximally comfortable for both the patient and the doctor. Among other indications for the use, the following can be highlighted. Complex therapy of all layers of the skin with early signs of aging, effective treatment of pigmentation and prevention of its relapses, addition treatment of acne and post-acne appearance preventing, preparation for surgical operations and improvement of rehabilitation after cosmetological procedures or surgical interventions, which will provide prevention of pathological scarring. TwAc 2.0 is a new era of skin boosters that will change your perception of healthy and radiant skin.